In the data center, we have at the moment a very high priority on our GreenIT and try to replace all the old technologies that we've used so far to replace them with more efficient versions. It starts with the simple server systems themselves, storage systems themselves, network switches themselves, but also including the climate systems and the entry systems that we use to reduce the overall power footprint and the efficiency of the data center. Environmentally friendly data centers are more expensive than the traditional data centers, but only in the procurement phase. Through the saving of the energy inside the data center operations, they usually pay for themselves within a few years. One of the last projects that we had, or a partial project, was the replacement of the uninterruptible power supply system. Just by replacing this one part of the dual power supply, we managed to save 45,000 kilowatts on energy. That's about the same as 15 families of 3 people use in 1 year. Another partial project that we used to increase the energy efficiency was the use of cool walls within the data center. These are directly connected up to our passive warm coolers on the roof of the data center. These don't require a compressor, so that they only use the warmth that's outside. On a cool day, as in lower than 20 degrees, we don't require any compressor electricity at all.